welcome back to
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Holy moly!
So today we are going to be baking some cookie cutter cookies, and we are going to be doing it Easter themed because Easter is coming up. So before you start, you're going to preheat your oven at 375 degrees. Okay, so the ingredients you will be needing are cookie mix, flour, you'll be needing melted butter, 1 stick, and 1 egg. And the tools you will be needing are a bowl, a spatula to mix with, you'll be needing a roller to roll out the dough, a cookie cutter, and one little decoration that we are going to be putting on them are little Easter eggs that are edible. Okay, so the first thing that you will be doing, taking the cookie mix and pouring it into a medium-sized bowl. And then you're going to be pouring flour in, and you're going to mix it. Now, you are going to put 1 egg into the mixture and 1 stick of melted butter into the mixture. And stir it until it forms a dough. Don't touch it. We just got to knead it, sort of thing. So it all becomes one big dough. Woo! After you have gotten the dough all compacted together, you are going to take your roller, and we like to use flour, and you are going to take some flour and put it all over the roller.
We have to pack this in too,
so that it's easier to roll. And then you're going to put some flour on here, and you're going to roll it about 1/4 of an inch thick.
We rolled out the dough, and now we're gonna put the cookie cutters on here, and we're gonna make 6 cookies. So she's gonna do 3, and I'm gonna do 3.
So before you start, you definitely don't want to do it right at the edge, because then you're not going to get the entire cookie, but you can do it pretty close to the edge to the point where you have a full cookie.
And if you have any extra dough, just roll it up and then you can roll it out again. So I'm gonna start like right here. So I'm just gonna dig it all in. So I made 1, now I'm gonna make 2 more.
Put it a little bit more close to the edge. So you're gonna need to take a spatula and kind of get under the cookie so that it does not crumble. Okay, so we got the first cookie, and you're going to put it on sheets.
Guys, I am super excited to eat these cookies.
Yes. So now I'm going to show you how to make gingerbread people into little tiny Easter bunnies. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take the legs of the gingerbread cookie and you're going to shape it like bunny ears. So, and you can even like kind of flatten it out a little bit.
Yeah, you can basically do
Yep.
anything. So.
Okay, so then you're going to take the arms and you are going to sort of stick them up sort of like this and make them so that an Easter egg, an edible Easter egg, can fit in between it.
If you have the edible Easter egg, you can see if it actually fits in there. So, because after it's gonna be baked, then you put the Easter eggs.
So then you're going to make a little eye either with a toothpick. So you're just gonna make a little eye like this. So now we have to bake it, and make sure you have parent supervision when you are cooking these, if you are cooking these by yourself.
Put it in, and it's a little too hot to
These
put it
look
in.
so cute, guys.
Okay.
They look very edible.
So after 5 to 7 minutes, the bunny cookies are finally done, and now we are gonna do the finishing touches. And that is
The eggs!
yes, and that's like my favorite part because it's chocolate. I love chocolate.
Okay.
So we're gonna put it in the middle of the arms, and she's gonna do 3 and I'll do 3.
Okay, so
Okay, so I'm gonna take the blue egg.
yeah, you put the blue eggs there, and then I'll put the white and the colorful eggs or whatever.
Thank you for watching, and please come back next time to see more of our videos.